Hello student, good morning. Now we take some numerical based on the electric power and voltage resistance, which is related to the electric power. Okay. Now we have two numericals in which first we solve the solution number 2. First we solve numerical number 2, then we go to solve the first condition. First numerical we have an electric heater of resistance 8 ohm draws 15 ampere current from supply in 2 hour, which is used for 2 hour. Calculate the rate at which heat is developed in the heater. Okay. Now student, we have given here resistance is 8 ohm, current draws is 15 ampere in 2 hours, that is time. Okay. First we solve for R and then we go for to solve joule. So it is R continue to 1 hour is equal to 3600 second. So time will become 7200 second. Okay. Okay student, we have the formula for heat developed in the wire is heat H is equal to I square R T. Okay. Now the value of I is 15 square into 8 into 7200 second. This is ohm into ampere square into second. Okay. Now on solving we get 225 square of 15 into 8 multiplied 2 is 6, carry 1, 56 and 57. Now it is in joules. On multiplying this 225 by 576 we get 0 carry 3, 15 carry 1, 12 and 13 and into 5 carry 3, 14 and 3 17, 14 and 1 15. Now 5 carry 2, 2 carry 1, 11. On solving it we get 0, 0, 10, 15, 16, 6, 8, 9, 2, 1. So the answer is 12960000 joule, or we can write it 1.296 into 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 10 to the power 8 joule. This is the heat produced in the wire in 2 hours. Okay. Now first solve this question, then we are going to the next question, which is question number 1. Okay, first copy student this, then we are going to the solve to the next numerical. this is the heat produced. Now we need to calculate the rate of heat produced. Rate of heat developed is equal to heat upon time. Okay, so student we have, हम यहाँ से ले लेते हैं स्टूडेंट, that is 1.1296 into this upon time. We have 2, which means 72 seconds, 7200 seconds. So this is rate of heat developed in the wire. Now this will cancel by 7 1, देखिए 1296 and 000 divided by 72, one time it is 72, this will 7 and it will be 5, here is 6. Now 7 8 ja 56 and we have 5700 and this, so we can use it 8 times. What we get? 8 carry 1 7 ja this, so we have the result is 1800. Okay, so this is cancelled by 1800 joule per second. This is the rate of heat developed in the wire. First copy this solution. Then we go to solve the next numerical. Okay, the next numerical is question number 1. Okay student, solution number 1. The question is, an electric bulb is rated 220 volt and 100 watt. When it is operated on 110 watt, the power consumed will be 100 watt, 75 watt, 50 watt or 25 watt. So we can go to solve this. We have given for this solution problem, voltage is 220 volt and power is 100 watt. Okay student, we have formula P is equal to VI. Okay, and we have another formula in the form of resistor, P is equal to V square upon R. Okay student, if we need to calculate the new power, first thing, when the device is formed, electrical device is formed, there will be one thing is constant or is conserved, which will not changed by any other condition. This one is the load or resistance of that particular electrical device. Okay, so resistance will not change. तो इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस में आप हमेशा resistance निकालेंगे और फिर जो कंडीशन है उसके हिसाब से सॉल्व करेंगे. let me solve this by calculating the value of resistance of this bulb. We have power is equal to V square upon R, okay, and we have power is 100 watt. We need to calculate here resistance, so we are calculating it V square upon P, okay. Now V is 220 square upon 100 watt, that is 22 square is 484 and 00 upon 100, this will cancel, so we have the resistance of this bulb is 484 ohm. This is a constant power supply, constant resistance for this bulb. Now new condition, voltage is reduced to 110 volt and we have the resistance is 484 ohm, okay student. Now the new power we can write Vn as new voltage. Now it is V square upon R, that is V square 100, this square upon R is 484, okay. Now it will be 11 into 11 into 100, okay. Now it is 22 into 22. I will resolving this condition, so it is cancelled by 2, it is cancelled by 2. Now we have new power, N is equal to 100 upon 4, that is P new is equal to 25 watt. So this bulb is generate a power of 25 watt if it is operated in place of 220 volt on 110 volt. This is the new power developed in the bulb. Copy this solution, then we go to the another solutions. Okay student, now we have another two problems. One is, first we solve the problem number 4, that is 8 ohm resistance wire is doubled on itself. Calculate the new resistance of the wire, okay. एक वायर है जिसको itself double किया गया. Just first understood the condition. Suppose we have the first wire is this, okay. Let length of this wire is L and area of this wire is A, okay. This is L1 and this is A1, okay. Now it will be double on itself. double on itself का मीनिंग होगा स्टूडेंट कि इसको मोड़ कर डबल कर दिया गया, लाइक दिस. ये हम डबल ऑन इटसेल्फ का कंडीशन यहाँ बनाते हैं. ये इसकी हाफ लेंथ हो गई. सपोज दिस इज द हाफ पॉइंट, तो ये इसकी हाफ लेंथ है स्टूडेंट, ओके. नाउ इट इज डबल्ड ऑन इटसेल्फ. नाउ इट इज डबल्ड ऑन इटसेल्फ, मतलब इसको मोड़ करके इसी के ऊपर जो दूसरा वाला पार्ट होगा इस तरह से आ जाएगा. नाउ इट इज वेरी क्लियर. इनिशियली इट्स लेंथ इज L. इफ इट इज डबल्ड ऑन इटसेल्फ, देयरफॉर लेंथ इज हाफ्ड. इसकी लेंथ आधी हो जाएगी. बट सेकेंड थिंग व्हाट यू ऑब्जर्व इज द एरिया इज डबल्ड, दैट इज न्यू एरिया विच इज वी कॉल्ड A2 is 2A will become. दिस इज L2. इसको हम कंपेरिजन, आप ऑलवेज यू कंपेयर दीज द कंडीशन विद द हेल्प ऑफ वॉल्यूम. V1 is equal to V2. Why we use this volume? Because student, when we melt or when we reformed the things, only and only volume is remain same and other configuration will change, volume will not change, so we are using the volume. तो पहले वो कंडीशन में कहता है कि A1 into L1, कंडीशन क्या होगा, वॉल्यूम विल नॉट चेंज, दैट इज A1 into L1 एंड A2 into L2, ये आपकी कंडीशन हो जाएगी. ठीक है. डबल ऑन इटसेल्फ, या तो आप एरिया को डबल ले लीजिए पहले ही, और या फिर लेंथ को कर लीजिए. बेसिकली लेंथ आपके समझ में आती है, लेंथ से सॉल्व करते हैं. ओके. नाउ व्हाट यू फाइंड, एरिया इनिशियली इज A, लेंथ इनिशियली इज L, एंड एरिया A2 वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट, एंड वी फाइंड कि L उसका आधा हो जाता है, दैट इज L/2. ओके. नाउ स्टूडेंट, दिस L इज कैंसिल बाय दिस L एंड दिस 2 is multiply here, so new area become 2A. It is clear? Okay. Now we start the condition from here, and we have given for this particular question the resistance of the initial wire is 8 ohm. We need to calculate the resistance of the new resistance wire. ये जो डबल करके बनाई जाएगी इसका निकालना है हमें. ओके. Now student, we have the thing is resistance is given by rho L upon A. यह आप सभी को पता है. Okay. This is the initial resistance we called R original, and this is the condition, so we called R new. That is with the same formula. If the material will same, it is very clear the resistivity of the material will not change, it is exactly the same. Therefore in place of L is L2 and in place of A is A2. Okay. Now student, we have L2 is L/2 and A2 is 2A. Clear students? Now we have rho L upon 2 into 2 4A. It will be written as 1/4 rho L upon A. Okay student, this is RO, original R. Okay. Now this will be R new is equal to 1/4, and the value of original R is rho into L upon A, and this is rho into L upon A, that is R original. Now put the value of R original here, you will find 1/4 into 8 ohm. Therefore the new resistance of the wire after doubling on itself is become 2 ohm only. This is the next answer. Just copy this. Okay, student. Now we are going to the problem number 3rd. That is several electric bulbs are designed to be used on a 220 volt supply, are rated 10 watt. How many lamps can be connected in parallel with each across the wires is 220 volt line if the maximum current allowed is 5 ampere? Okay, so student, we have given power is 10 watt, वोल्टेज जिस पे ये वर्क करते हैं डेट इज 220 वोल्ट. नेक्स्ट इज द मैक्सिमम करंट आई मैक्स और आई allotted is 5 ampere. Okay, now we need to calculate the number of bulb which are connected in the parallel combination to draw a maximum current is 5 ampere. In this question one idea is given to us कि हमें कैलकुलेट करना है वैल्यू ऑफ करंट, देन वी आर गोइंग टू कैलकुलेट द नंबर ऑफ बल्ब्स, वी आर यूजिंग द मैक्सिमम करंट अपॉन करंट टेकन बाय द वन बल्ब. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट, फर्स्ट वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट द करंट ड्रॉन बाय दिस 10 watt bulb from the 220 volt source. Okay, so first we calculate the current. We have the formula VI in the form of current. So student, the value of I is P upon V. It is clear or not? Therefore, I is equal to power 10 and the voltage is 220. Okay, so this is cancel and we get the current drawn is 1 upon 22 ampere. It is clear, student? Now this is the value of current. I is equal to 1 upon 22 ampere. Now we need to the number of bulbs. Therefore, number of bulbs connect in parallel. Connect in parallel. To draw 5 ampere current is I max upon I of bulb. Okay, so student, we have 5 ampere and I of bulb is 1 upon 22 ampere. Okay, this ampere is cancelled and this 22 multiply with 5, so you will get the result is 110 bulbs are connect in parallel. Okay, this is the number of bulbs. So we can connect 110 bulbs in parallel to draw the maximum allotted current. So copy this. Then we go to calculate the Okay student, now we go to calculate the another question. Okay student, we have the new question, that is an electric heater of 1000 watt rated. Here we using as rated 1000 watt 220 volt, that is a heater of maximum 1000 watt working on or operated on 220 volt supply is working 3 hours daily or every day. If cost of unit is 4 rupees per unit, therefore calculate the cost of electricity for 30 days or a month of this. Okay, now we going to solve this. We need to calculate the cost of energy. So we have given here power is 1000 watt, voltage 220 volt, and the time is 3 hours every day. Therefore we calculate the electrical energy, consumed energy. Consumed energy, or we called electricity. Okay student, this is equal to P into T. यही हमारे पास फॉर्मूला था, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ पावर एंड टाइम. सो कंज्यूम्ड एनर्जी इज इक्वल टू, फॉर C we use C, consumed for C, energy for E. So CE is equal to 1000 watt into 3 hours. This will become 3000 watt hours. Okay, now it will be calculated in kilowatt hours, so we can use consumed electrical energy or electricity is 3 kilowatt hours. Okay, now energy consumed in 30 days. Energy consumed in 30 days. Okay, it will become 3 kilowatt hours into 30. It will be 90 kilowatt hours. Okay, student, one unit is equal to 1 kilowatt hours. Okay, and we have cost of 1 unit, that is 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 4 rupees. Okay, therefore 4 rupees, therefore cost of consumed electricity CT is equal to 90 into kilowatt hour is equal to 4 rupees. It will become 360 rupees. Hence, if we use a heater of 1000 watt operated on 220 volt supply for 3 hours every day, it will consume the electricity of rupees 360 in 1 month. So copy these questions. This is how we solve the numericals based on the electricity. So student, this is the way that you solve the numericals based on the first chapter effect of current. In the next lecture we take some additional numerical or some high thinking order numericals based on the same formula. Thank you.